Cosmo, what's wrong? No shoes. What's the matter? You don't want to go in there. What's wrong? You want to go inside? Do you want to go back home? Huh? This is not your cup of tea. You come and play in the snow with us. Where is the other us? Junior, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Phew. Good boy. No. You want to go inside? Come on. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Come in? You coming in? No. So your morose growling meant nothing, I guess.